Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add image plane. So to add image planes in the axis, first you can change to the for view, press space button and you can choose the front view here. Click on image plane icons and then opens your image. So I will use this image as example. Click open and the image will be shown in the front plane or x-axis. You can add again, select in side x in z-axis. You can click against the image plane and then opens your image to be attached into the z-axis. Now you can back again into perspective view by moving the cursors into the perspective and then press space buttons to move it. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add image plane.